Hello everybody, this is Jimmy Flygar, aka JFlyCars22 here. Once again, I'm doing an iPhone take of the interterminal train over at the Bush Airport in Houston, Texas. Wow, they play music here. We should be going any minute now, or any second. Pretty nice music. Sorry about the shakiness. Yeah, it's just I can't really hold on to the. Okay, there we go. I'll be quiet and let's enjoy the ride. So, what do you think? It's like we're going through a tunnel. Yeah. It's like, yeah. It's like Six Flags. Yeah, which I haven't been to, which is where I haven't been to in 3 years. Yep, and they're ooh!
Jeez.
I know! I know, right? That's the one thing I don't like. Ooh, man.
Knocked around. Huh?
Yeah, we got knocked out. And yep, we're going on a full journey on the train. Yep, we're going on a full journey on this train. Uh-oh. Here comes one of those things again. Oh. Feels pretty bad. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, like I said before in my other videos, my iPhone camera cannot zoom in when you're taking a video. Yep.
Which terminal is this?
This is Terminal A.
Terminal A?
Yeah, we're going on a full journey,
Okay.
which is something I've never done before, because usually I like doing car videos and car wash videos. Here we go. Oh.
Knocked around a little bit.
Yep, we got knocked around. As of what it does. Now it's getting pretty dark.
Yeah.
Which you can't see anything that much. Yeah, I wish my iPhone could zoom in. I wish my iPhone could zoom in when you're taking a video.
Can't?
Yeah, but I can't. But like I said, I made that as a disclaimer
Okay.
to everybody. Oh.
Boing.
Yep.
We got boing.
Yep, we got knocked. Oh. Oh, man. Yeah, it looks like we're going back to where we just started. Oh. Oh, man. Yeah. It does feel pretty dark. Oh, now there's light. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Well, looks like we're back.
Here we are, huh?
Yep.
Alright, let's hop out.
So, we're not actually going on a full journey on the train, so we're gonna get off here.
Right.
Yep.
Go up the elevator.
Yeah, let's go up the elevator. Alright, that's it.